In this video, we're going to look at how to print a Google Sheet. So we have a couple options as far as where to go to print a sheet. We have the icon right here, print icon. We could also select Control plus P, or we just go up to File and go all the way down to Print. Either way is going to bring up the same menu here. So some of the options we have what we want to print. We can either do the workbook or selected cells or the current sheet. We have options to select paper size. We can also change between a portrait and landscape. We can scale to either fit the width, height, or fit the page, or we can put in a custom number. Then we can also set our margins here to either normal, narrow, wide, or we can enter a custom number. For formatting, we can choose to show grid lines or not, and show notes. We can turn these on and off by just clicking in the checkbox. We can also choose the page order. So if there's so much information on the page that it doesn't fit on one page, you can choose how it flows onto the next page, either down then over or over then down. You can also choose the alignment, how you want everything to line up on the page. You can choose horizontal and vertical. Then we can expand the headers and footers options, and we can choose if we want to have page numbers on, the workbook title, sheet name, current date, and current time. And then right here we can edit these fields by selecting Edit Custom Fields, and it gives us this option to edit. You can go in here and type whatever you'd like to type there. And then select Confirm. So you're able to change those fields around. So once you do that, select Next. And it will then open up the print program on your computer, and then you can choose the printer that you want to print to, and then select Print. And that is how we print a Google Sheet. Okay, in this video we looked at how to print a sheet and different formatting options for printing. Make sure to check out our other videos in the series on using Google Sheets. Thank you.